Hi guys, Chelsea here, your TA lady, coming with you with the latest cryptocurrency news. We got Bitcoin's weekly chart here, and I want to show this. So we're in like a falling wedge here, it was, and then all of a sudden it broke out. So that is not a good sign. Things to pay attention to is if it's going to be retesting the lower and then further downside, or if it breaks back into the pattern, that could be then bullish. So just paying attention to it. One thing that I was looking at is the stochastic RSI. I went ahead and marked these lines for us to see, but if you see, once it's low in the stochastic RSI, we got upside, a lot of upside right here, upside. Okay, upside, and now we're crossing again. So it's just going to be, is it that upside where it breaks in, or is it the upside where it retests? So things to watch out for. Another thing I've been liking to watch is I marked these because when you go to the lower time frame, so let's go to the daily time frames here, zoom out so you can see here, but this was a fake out. So as you see, it comes up, retests, and then it breaks back in. So when it breaks back into these patterns, you've got to pay attention as well, okay? Right here, another fake out right here. It broke out, and then it broke back in, okay? So just paying attention to those can kind of help as well. But I want to go over the market on that aspect to show you guys. We got Bitcoin dominance too. So to go ahead, this is pull up the 4-hour chart for you. We're still in a downtrend with it. Right here's the 21 moving average. So I like to see when it breaks above. As you see, all of these have crossed below. Once it crosses below, we got the moving averages, 50, 100. It's all going down as well. So that's something I like paying attention to, as opposed to like, okay, when it crosses above, look at, you're in an uptrend. So I like paying attention to that for trends as well to see what's going on. This is the daily chart, but we're still showing Bitcoin dominance going down. And then some new things on the market. So Bored Ape Yacht Club, it's all over the new Eminem and Snoop Dogg's music video. So rappers are now integrating it. Well, they have been, to be honest. But that goes ahead and it gets more hype out, gets more exposure out, more marketing for these coins, of it becoming a real thing. And then another thing that was pretty interesting is Coinbase. They went ahead and acquired FairX, and together they're creating a path to regulate crypto derivatives trading for retail and institution participants. So they're expanding as well in the crypto space. So pretty interesting to see that they've went ahead and acquired FairX for that. Cardano, they're announcing an NFT market. So ADA ecosystem sees explosive growth, which they're always, what's really neat about ADA is they're always marketing, but they're having an NFT outcoming, so that should show some activity as well. The JPEG soared 50% within a month. So pretty interesting to see as well that they're always just on top of it. But that's what it comes down to, these companies, how they're marketing their business online. It brings hype, it brings people in, it brings sellers. So that's some of your latest crypto news and the market updates. But right now, bear trend. So let's see, is it going to go ahead, retest and further downside with the recession coming on, or is it going to break back into that pattern? So that's something I like to see as a on a weekly chart to see where potential we're going.